Hello student, today we shall discuss about the second point, graphical method. Now how to solve the given linear equation by using the graphical method. Therefore in this graphical method some steps are very important, and these steps to show how to solve the given equation. Then listen here. Steps for the graphical method. First step, choose the at least 3 convenient values for the x and then find the corresponding value of y. Then second point is draw x axis and y axis on the graph paper and then plot the given point or finding this point, it will be plotted. Then third point, see that all the points lies on that line. Then in the fourth last point is the coordinates of the points of the intersection of the two lines, the solution of the given equations, and then this is the intersection point is the solution of that given equations. Now this will be solved by using directly in the one by one example. So I will go to the practice set 1.2 directly, and then this practice set first question is complete the following table to draw the graph of the equation. Then example first is the x plus y is equal to 3 and x minus y is equal to 4. For the given equations, means the first equations table is x plus y is equal to 3. This table the given value is there in our textbook. The x value is equal to 3, then y is equal to 5 and y is equal to again third value is 3. But then this given value you should solve the another value, means adding the x is equal to 3 in the given equation, x plus y is equal to 3. Therefore 3 plus y is equal to 3, then y is equal to 3 minus 3 means actually that will be 0, and hence the y is equal to 0. In this way second value y is equal to 5 is added on that given equation, x plus y is equal to 3. Then x plus y plus 5 is equal to 3. Then x is equal to 3 minus 5 is equal to x is equal to minus 2. Then in the last y is equal to 3 is added on that first equation, x plus y is equal to 3, then value of y is 3 is added, therefore x is equal to 3 minus 3, and it means that the x is equal to 0. And in this way the three coordinates points are created here. First coordinate point is a 3 0, second coordinate point is a minus 2 5, and last one third coordinates point is 0 3, and these 3 points are coordinated by in the first table. Then in the second table, means the second equation is x plus y is equal to 4. In this way this second table is a form, its value is first value is x is equal y is equal to 4 is added on the given equation, x minus y is equal to 4, therefore x minus 0 is equal to 4, and then finally x is equal to 4. Then in this same equation add the value of x is equal to minus 1, then this after solving y is equal to minus 5, and in such way that again last x is equal to 0, then y is equal to minus 4. Then in this way this first activity is solved to complete the following table to draw the graph of equation. For equation in the given data, you should draw a graph. Then question 2, solve the following simultaneous equation by the graphical method. This question is also practice set 1.2. Then example first is x plus y is equal to 6, and another one equation for that first example, x minus y is equal to 4. In this both equations, the first equation table for the first equation is x plus y is equal to 6. Here x is equal to 0, x is equal to 3, x is equal to 4, and x is equal to 2. This value is added on that given equation, x plus y is equal to 6. Therefore the y value is find out, y is equal to 6, y is equal to 3, y is equal to 2, and y is equal to 4, and hence the coordinates points are created. First coordinate point is 0, 6, then second coordinate point is 3, 3, and third one coordinate point is 4, 2, and last one fourth coordinate point is 2, 4. Then table for second equation, x minus y is equal to 4. This table is how will be created, they will be solved in the below. Means the above table is very easy, adding the value of x, therefore actually adding the value of x, then the value of y is 6, then adding the value of 3 means the 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. In this way this is very simple, but this x minus y is equal to 4, this table is solving here below. X minus y is equal to 4, here adding the value of x is equal to 1, then 1 minus 4, 1 minus y is equal to 4, then minus y is equal to 4 minus 1, and minus y is equal to 3. It means that y is equal to minus 3. Then in the second, adding the value of x is equal to 0, therefore x minus y is equal to 4, 0 minus y is equal to 4, minus y is equal to 4, and y is equal to minus 4. Then in the third one, x minus y is equal to 4. In this equation, add the value of x is equal to 4, then 4 minus y is equal to 4, minus y is equal to 4 minus 4. It means that minus y is equal to 4, but this minus sign is goes to there, therefore y is equal to 0, and this 0 is not positive or negative sign. Then in the last, means the fourth coordinate is find out. In this way, x is equal to 3 is added on that given equation, x minus y is equal to 4, means the x is equal to 3 is added. Therefore 3 minus y is equal to 4, 3 minus y is equal to 4, minus y is equal to 4 minus 3, and minus y is equal to 1. In this way, this minus sign is goes to the that side of equal sign, therefore y is equal to minus 1. Then in the third PPT, graph. After creating these two tables, I will show the graph, how to form a graph or how to plot the graph in the given data. Then here listen here carefully. One graph paper is given, and then the x-axis and y-axis is drawn on that graph paper. Then the origin point is 0 is given there. Then in the first listen here, the value of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 is added on that one side. Then In the another side, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 and -7 is also written. Then in the upward side of that graph, +1, +2, +3, +4, 5, 6 and 7, they will be written on the y-axis. Then in the below side of that origin point, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7 and -8 is written on the below side of the y-axis. And then in this way you should make a graph, and therefore here scale also written. The scale is on the both axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Now listen here, I will draw directly this graph. In this graph paper this is the first line, and in this line first point is 0, 6. First point is 0, 6. Here origin point is a 0. From that 0 to +6 means upward direction or upward side of the y, 0 to 6. Here I will one dot is created, and then second point is 3, 3 means the positive sign of 3 is here, and the in the this will be in the x-axis, and the again positive 3 is in the y-axis, and hence this point is 3, 3. Then third point is 4, 2 +4 for that x-axis, and +2 for the. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मगा त्या ग्राफमध्ये थोड्याशा काही बाबी राहून गेलेल्या होत्या, त्या मी इथे पुन्हा एक्सप्लेन करतो. नाउ ऑल ऑफ यू लिसन केअरफुली. इन दिस ग्राफ the first point is 0, 6 is given there. The origin point is 0 and 6. या ठिकाणी हा आरंभबिंदू 0 आहे आणि हा या ठिकाणी y अक्षाचा 6 आहे. आपले जे पहिले जे कोऑर्डिनेट्स आहे 0 आणि 6 ते इथं आपण घेतलेले आहेत. देन इन द सेकंड पॉइंट इज 3, 3. x axis 3 is here and y axis 3 is here, and then third point is 4, 2. This 4 is the x axis and 2 is from that y axis. This point is given here, and then 2, 4. Then 2, 4. Last point is x axis 2 is this, x axis 2 is this, and y axis 4 is this, and hence these 4 points are pointed on that given graph 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then I will draw a line. या ठिकाणी 0 आणि 6 हे पहिले कोऑर्डिनेट्स आहेत, ते आपण प्लॉट केले. त्यानंतर दुसरा कोऑर्डिनेट शोधलेले होते 3, 3, ते आपण या ठिकाणी नोंदवलेले आहेत. हा x अक्षाचा 3 आणि हा y अक्षाचा 3. त्यानंतर तिसरा पॉईंट होता 4, 2, तो 4 x अक्षाचा या ठिकाणी आहे आणि y अक्षाचा 2 घेऊन तो इथे घेतलेला आहे, आणि लास्ट पॉईंट 2, 4 तो या ठिकाणी दाखवलेला आहे. तर या पद्धतीने आपण पहिला ग्राफ प्लॉट केला, त्याची लाईन ड्रॉ केली आणि त्या लाईनला इथं इक्वेशन लिहिलं x + y = 6. लाईनला दोन्ही बाजूने आपण ॲरो टाकलेले आहेत बारकाईने, हे पण बघून घ्या. त्यानंतर पुढे सेकंड लाईन, हाऊ टू ड्रॉ दिस सेकंड लाईन. देअरफॉर फर्स्ट यू शुड plot the points on that graph paper. So the first point is 1, -3. First point coordinate is 1 for the x axis and -3 for the y axis, and this point is kept on that graph paper. Then second coordinate point is 0, -4. 0 is in the origin and the -4 is here on the y-axis below, -4. Then in the third point is a 4 minus 4 0, 4 0, 4 is the x-axis and 0 is on the origin, and hence this point is on the x-axis. Then last point is a 3 minus 1, 3 is the positive, this 3 is here and the -1 is in the below of the that 3 here, and hence these 4 points are pointed on that given graph, and this 4 points is attached to the one line, and this line name is x minus y is equal to 4, and this line is intercepted on the first line in this way here, and this line's intercepted point is 5 1. This 5 is on the x-axis 5 and 1 is on the y-axis, and hence in this way this graph is completed. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, पुन्हा एकदा इकडे लक्ष द्या. ही जी दुसरी लाईन तयार झालेली आहे यासाठी आपण जे 4 पॉईंट्स या ठिकाणी अडॉप्ट केलेले आहेत, त्यातला पहिला पॉईंट आहे 1-3. हा जो 1 आहे हा एक्स अक्षाचा 1 घेतलेला आहे बारकाईने बघा इथं, आणि -3 हा वाय अक्षाचा खाली इथं -3 आहे, त्याच्यासमोर इथं 1 एकक अंतरावरती आहे. त्यानंतर 0-4, 0 हा आरंभबिंदूपासून तयार झालेला, आरंभबिंदूपासून हा घेतलेला आहे एक्स अक्षाचा, आणि -4 हा ह्या वाय अक्षाचा खाली दाखवलेला आहे, तो -4 जवळ आपण प्लॉट केलेला आहे. हा इथं दिसतोय तुम्हाला. ओके. यानंतर तिसरा पॉईंट आहे 4-0, 4-0. त्यामध्ये एक्स अक्षाचा 4 आणि वाय अक्षाचा 0, आणि म्हणूनच साहजिकच तो जो पॉईंट आलेला आहे तो ह्या एक्स अक्षावरती आलेला आहे. या ठिकाणी दिसतोय तुम्हाला, या ठिकाणी आपण गोल करून एक छोटासा डॉट दिलेला आहे. यानंतर शेवटचा पॉईंट आहे 3-1. तर एक्स अक्षाचा 3 या ठिकाणी आहे, हा एक्स अक्षाचा 3, हा इथं एक्स अक्ष आहे आणि त्याचा हा 3, आणि -1 हा वाय अक्षाचा आहे वरून आलेला, हा इथं वाय अक्ष आणि त्याचा हा -1, आणि या पद्धतीने या ठिकाणी आपण हा पॉईंट घेतलेला आहे. या पद्धतीने हे चारही पॉईंट आपण या दुसऱ्या रेषेसाठी तयार केलेले आहेत. ती रेषा मी टाकलेली आहे, आणि त्यानुसार या ठिकाणी ती रेषा ह्या पहिल्या रेषेला ज्या ठिकाणी छेदली तो पॉईंट आहे एक्स अक्षाचा 5 आणि वाय अक्षाचा 1, आणि त्यालाच आपल्याला त्या दोन्ही रेषांचं सोल्युशन असं सुद्धा म्हणता येईल. होमवर्क दिलेला आहे. या होमवर्कमध्ये सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन बाय ग्राफिकल मेथड या ठिकाणी 2 उदाहरणं दिलेली आहेत. फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल इज द x + y = 5 अँड x - y = 3. सेकंड एक्झाम्पल x + y = 0 अँड 2x - y = 9. This second example is asked on the March 2019 SSC exam. Now student, all of you listen here carefully. After you solve these questions, you upload or send this graph on the group. I will check it. Thank you.